Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. Today I've got a cheeky little unboxing for you. I thought I'm going to get myself a little treat. Yes, that's right, after I picked up the beautiful key holder and card holder in the wonderful hibiscus pink croc embossed leather from Aspinal for my 1000 subscriber giveaway. Congratulations once again to Ellie for winning that giveaway. Congratulations. Mwah. I thought, hang on a minute, maybe I deserve a little treat as well. So I popped onto the Aspinal website, had another little look through the sale and picked something. It's only a little something, but it's something that I've been looking at for a little while because I thought, I do like the design of that. So I'm going to show you that in a second, and this is going to be a quick video, but I just wanted to say if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, then thank you. I adore you, all of you. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Please show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so this is a small item. I've been looking at it probably for about 2-3 years now in all the different colours that it comes out in, and it seems to be a bit of a core collection piece. Other things turned to my head as well, but I decided I was going to go for it because I saw it in the sale. So yes, we love a sale bargain. This isn't a true unboxing. Oh, which way up is it? There we go. I didn't pay for the gift wrapping or anything for this one, and what I picked up was this Aspinal. This is the coin card holder. So you've got 1, 2, 3 card slots there, and then you've got this zipped compartment that goes all the way around and opens up there. It's got a little bit of a gussety gusset, and on this side it's got Aspinal of London embossed there, and on the front it's got Aspinal of London embossed there, and on the cutout of the zip pull you've got the little shield with a little bit of embossing there, and on this part here it's probably upside down, I can't quite see at this level. That'll say Aspinal of London. Let's try it this way up. So the zip comes down to this side, and on all of the bit that isn't a zip, it's glazed, and it's glazed beautifully. The care card was in one of the card slots. So that's what's on the care card. If you want to read any of that, you can hit pause and read it. Let me talk you through why I wanted to try this piece, because I have some card holders and things. Now we know that I'm a huge fan of the zip on my Etui Voyage here, that comes most of the way down that side. Excuse the feral children outside, it is chucking out time at the children's zoo. My thought is this Aspinal card holder is going to be like the Etui Voyage and be surprisingly useful with that little extra bit. Now in terms of the colour, I picked this olive colour, which is one of the colours that's being discontinued and is in the sale. These coin card holders are £75 full retail, and I paid £37.50 for it. And the leather, as you would expect, smells so good, and this pebbled leather, oh, it just feels divine. I already know my husband is not going to like this colour. I personally do. I like greens, I like olives. I'm not so much of a bright green, I'm more of a khaki kind of grapey. I'm not so much of a bright green kind of girl, but I am very much an olive, dark khaki kind of green kind of chick. So I'm going to pop a few things in this, and we're going to see just how easy to use this is actually going to be. I've got a little bit stuffed. I've got my 2 bank cards and my driver's license there. You can see on this is the gusseted end. She's a little bit fatter than on the card end because the cards are on the outside, and that's what she looks like from the top. A little bit thinner this end, a little bit fatter that end, and inside I have got a Costco card. I've got a packet of stamps. There we go, a little packet of stamps. I have got a couple of notes in there. These are folded up really badly because they're the sort of plasticky notes, and I've got a couple of £2 coins in there, so just a few bits and pieces. I could definitely squeeze a lot more in here without damaging it at all, and I think the leather will soften up really, really nicely over time. Already I am preferring this extra opening bit here for me to get in easily and pick out my coins, rather than having to sort of take everything out and then upend it and hope everything falls out. I think this is a great little piece. Like I said, I've been looking at this for about 3 years now, when they used to have the Aspinal display in my local John Lewis. I would be in there playing with all the things, and I think the first time I saw this and it really, really caught my eye, it was in red. It was in this really, really bright red, but I do like this green colour and I love a bargain, and I wanted a little treat to say well done, Gwenny, for getting to 1,000 YouTube subscribers. I will stop banging on about it at some point, I promise. So that's it. That's my really quick little unboxing and what fits of my new Aspinal coin card holder. Everything that I've talked about will be linked in the description below, so you can go and have a look. So this video is coming out on Monday the 12th of July. I will pop it in the pinned comments, the first comment in the comment section down below, if the sale is still going on, and yeah, so you can go and check it out for yourselves. I do hope you've enjoyed this quick video with my little unboxing, my little treat to myself. If you did, you know what to do. Please give it the thumbs up love. I will leave another video, if you haven't already seen it, around here somewhere. It'll be on this side or this side. Who knows where it's going to come up. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, then please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye.